Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jo, and I'm back with another video. So today I'll finally be doing another makeup tutorial. Yeah, and I haven't done one in a while. It's like before I came to college, and this is the look. Gives me very, I don't know, like either Hollywood glam or 1920s glam. I did this look because I am styling in a 1920s fashion show later today, so I wanted to beat my face to kind of replicate the styles that I have in the dress that I'm wearing, y'all. So I'm gonna start with Wet n Wild Rose, like 3-in-1 focus 3-in-1 primer water. Using my e.l.f. brow pomade as usual for my eyebrow. Now that my eyebrows are done and that my eyelids are primed, I'll be taking my Morphe 35L palette and I'll be using these two browns right here as like for the outer V/crease of my eye. And this eyebrow is trifling right now, but it's okay. That's okay because this one looks good. This one is just, y'all can't see it, but I got like a pimple like right where my arch is, so this was difficult to fill in. But we're gonna work with what we have. Okay? Okay. I'm also bringing the color down like right here, like near my inner eye, but not completely in my inner eye. We're just like rounding out the color and just my eye in general. And I'm also blending the color out upward so it just looks more seamless and more nice. So now I'm gonna take this really pretty like coppery gold right here and put that on my lid. Yeah, the lid of my eye. I don't think I told y'all why I'm doing my makeup, but I'm doing my makeup because I'm in a fashion show, but this time I'm styling. Looks in the fashion show, I'm not actually walking. But in the last fashion show I was in, I was a model. But this time I'm styling, I'm really excited about that. And the theme is like 1920s. So I'm doing my makeup very like classic glam. But this is also what I do on the days I do decide to do my makeup for school, which is usually Mondays and Wednesdays because my classes start later then. But I do play around with my eye looks like all the time. After doing my lid color, I'm just gonna go in with this brown right here and just lightly dab my brush in the pan and just go over like the edges of the gold so it just looks very like nice and seamlessly blended. I'm trying to debate if I want this darker or not. Okay, so just for fun, we're gonna make this a little bit darker, a little bit more of a smoky eye. So let me go get my black eyeshadow real quick. Okay, so, oh wait, I forgot to pause my movie because I'm watching a movie and do my makeup while filming. So I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use the black at the bottom. And, okay, I'm gonna need a more concentrated brush. So we're gonna get this more concentrated brush and we're gonna get a little bit of black. Hopefully it's a little bit. And we're gonna like just put it on the outer edges of where the brown is. Not completely on the outer edges, just like a little bit more in. I'm just gonna lightly build that up, like oh so lightly. Because the black is really tricky and black can go nice to looking like raccoon eyes really quickly. Okay, now I'm gonna get the fluffy brush I had earlier, and we're just gonna blend everything together. Just also nicely little blend things out. Blend the shadow out a little bit. It's not like too rough, but it's still looking nice. Ooh, so my eyes are done. Very simple, very easy, and all that jazz. Now I'll be taking my Fenty Pro Filter Soft Matte foundation. This is foundation in 470 and putting that all up on my face. I'm trying something new today. I'm gonna use this sponge and I wet it for my foundation. I usually use a brush, but I want to see how the sponge looks. I don't know how I feel about this because I really haven't used a sponge in forever. So I believe I'm just gonna do my second coat and using the brush like I usually do. BRB as I fix this eyebrow. So my eyebrow might look the same on camera, but I promise you it is so much better in real life. Now I'm taking this Maybelline concealer in Hazelnut, and we're gonna put this under my eye and a little bit on my forehead. Using the back of the foundation sponge that I use for my under eye, just for my concealer in general, because I just don't feel like dirtying a beauty blender when I can dirty this and throw this out. Then I'm gonna blend it out with this concealer brush a little bit more. Make sure it blends with the foundation. Now I'll be taking my now I'm taking my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder to just set my whole entire face. He played her. You can't hear it, but he just asked her for a difference. After telling her that he loved her, he was like, I want a divorce. And that's wild. I finished my smoothie, y'all. Now I can finish my makeup. That's crazy. I'm not trash. Anyway, okay. Now I'm gonna set my face with the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Spray. Now I'm gonna get my powder brush and I'm gonna dab the spray into my makeup just so it can last longer. I saw this on one of Jackie Ina's videos and then I started doing it too. And I really think it just helped to like make my makeup last and stay. And plus, I would spray the setting spray a little too close to my face, so it would make my face like really, just like wet, my makeup really wet anyway, so I would have to like dab it in to make sure I didn't mess up. It's the therapist! It's the therapist!
What? Excuse me? Annie, this is rough. I know that. Wait a minute. I don't understand. You are my therapist. He is my husband. Oh, Annie,
Give me a second, y'all. Okay. I'm back. These movies are gonna give a girl trust issues. Anyway, I'll be taking the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. We'll be applying that essentially everywhere on my face. Y'all know how much I like to glow. Like this is only like what, $4 or $5, and this is like one of the best highlighters I have like ever used in my life. I'm gonna pull a bit on the chin. A little bit on the forehead, only because like I get oily there anyway, and we might as well make the oil into glow, you know? Now you guys are going to have to excuse me as I struggle to put on some lashes. So I put on my lashes and they're not that bad. I actually am getting better, slowly getting better at putting them on. It really brought together the whole look. I took off my scarf so you can see the full hairstyle, the full poof. Now it's time for the last step, which is the lips. So I'll be getting this red lipstick that I have. I don't know where it's from. Probably the Beauty Supply store. And that is it, y'all. I really love how this turned out. I haven't done like a colored lip in a long time. I've been doing just lots of lip glosses and all that, but this looks really nice. Anyway, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in a minute, so I might be like a little bit rusty. But regardless, I hope you guys like it. My makeup skills are definitely getting better. I've just been doing my makeup more often in college. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share all your friends. See you next time. Bye.
Give it to them, give it to them,